Hello everyone, my name is Shegun. I'm the Technical Sales Advisor at Carbon Cleaning Nigeria. This year, we will start producing a series of videos to explain how our products and services can help you resolve many of your engine issues. We would also share information about your engine that will help you get the best value for your vehicle. Our company started operation in 2018 and we've seen firsthand the tremendous value that we can offer motorists in Nigeria. We'll be sharing our experience working on engines over the last 4 years. We will also show how you can use our products to get the best out of your engine. Carbon Cleaning Nigeria operates under Sparrows Dynamic Innovations Limited, or Sparrows for short. Sparrows provide innovative aftermarket products and services to motorists in Nigeria. Our modus operandi is to offer services that resolve major engine issues without the need to take apart your engine. You will understand better what I mean in the course of our video series. Sparrows offers some other services, but in the video series, I'll be focusing on 3 of our services. These are our carbon cleaning service, our repair and performance additive, and our ozone treatment service. We will produce a variety of videos covering different topics so that we can go into detail about each product and service. We have established a working partnership with the following international company. The first is Carbon Cleaning International, with headquarters in France but operating through affiliates around the world. We are the national distributor for Texa, a leading Italian company in the design and manufacture of multi-brand automotive diagnostic tools. We are also the distributor for GLM Lubricants, a boutique Dutch brand with headquarters in the Netherlands. GLM Lubricants produces a high quality of engineered fuel and oil additives as well as premium engine oil. I look forward to producing the video series and getting your feedback. We'll post the videos on our channels on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and also our TikTok channel. Thank you for listening. From our team here at Carbon Cleaning Nigeria, have a great day.